I'm going to show you how to change your battery voltage in the LCD from, in this instance, a 36 volt to a 48 volt. Now, before you do this, you need to ensure that your controller, in this case the controllers in here, can handle the voltage. So this battery is a 48 volt, which when fully charged is about a 52 volt battery. I know this controller it can handle about 64 volts, and this is for the Kristall E5, which my understanding is rebranded in a number of bikes, including the avocado bike. So to change it in this instance from a 36 volt to a 48 volt, press and hold the plus and minus button and you'll see it change. Press the M button, just press it until you see the option 3, and you can see that it's flashing 36 volt. So we'll press the plus button, or if we're going down, back down to 36 volt, we would then choose the 36 volt if we're going from 48 to 36. To save it, or it automatically saves, or you can just press and hold the plus and minus button again to go back to the main screen. So that's so again, we'll press and hold plus and minus, press the M until you see the 3, and you can see the 48 volt there. We're all set. So again, do this at your own risk with changing your batteries.